Have you ever scratched your scalp and then you saw like build-up residue on your nails? I know, that's gross. I get that, y'all. Hey, beautiful people of the world. It's your girl, AReid, and if you're tuning in today, it's because you want to know about my DIY two-strand twist starter lock 1 month plus update. If this is your first time joining, welcome. And if you've been to your girl's page before, thank you and welcome back. As I said before, these are my DIY two-strand twist starter locks with extensions. So I twisted my hair, and then as my hair would begin to thin, I used human hair to extend the twist. Now, when I first did the style, it was so scalpy, and I really thought it was gonna stay scalpy forever just because my hair is so thin, and I also have a low density. Excuse me, my hair's not thin, my hair is fine. I have fine hair and a low density. So this is what it looks like now. What I should have done was at least slick my hairline or something for y'all. But I just want y'all to see like how I wear my hair on the regular. Like, this is how I wear my hair. Like, I like it messy. When I tell you, I feel so free with this style. I think I might feel too free, right? Because there's certain things that I just don't do anymore. Like, sometimes I'll go to bed without a scarf, and that's a problem because I don't want my hair to frizz out too much, but at the same time, I really do like the frizz. I don't spritz my hair. I know people do that, but I don't shower with the shower cap, so I feel like my hair gets moisture from the shower. And what else don't I do? I don't keep my hands out my head. Like, I love rubbing my scalp, so I don't do that. I showed my sister like what my root area looked like, if you can see that there, and she said, oh, it looked like your hair is slipping. I say it's growth. You know, so like, I really don't know. And then also for some of the twists, I did remove some of the extensions just because I felt like it was just too fine. So I do have a few sections over here. This was actually one twist. I split it and I didn't add any extension here to it. And this is what it looks like now. It doesn't even look like twists. This one is pretty much unraveling. I'm okay with that. Like, I'm not super picky about what my hair looks like. But rather than looking like twists, it looks more like curl. I'm cool with that, right? Like, I don't need perfect partings and a perfect grid and each two-strand twist to look exactly the same until it locks. That is not my MO here at all. I just want to be free. I just want to be free. That's it. I just want my hair to be free. I haven't shampooed my hair. I'm going to show you what my scalp looks like in a bit. I remember when I first did this style, and I was telling you how my mom said, you know, I got to wait 6 weeks to shampoo. And I'm like, 6 weeks? I got to wait 6 weeks? And really, I haven't shampooed my hair for 6 weeks now, and I feel fine. Like, my scalp feels fine, but it looks dirty. So that's the only reason why I'm really gonna wash it, is because it looks dirty. So let me just show y'all what it looks like down. So you can see it do look a little bit fuller. I know that as my hair grows and I start to retie the root area, that my ends are going to stay just like this, and then the rest of my hair is going to swell. So eventually I'm gonna just look like I'm walking around with scraggly ends, but that's okay for me because at some point I might just remove all of the extensions at some point, but we'll see what happens. So this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up of my dirty scalp, and I hope it shows on camera. It's disgusting, y'all. It's really disgusting, and I hope that you could really see what it looks like on camera. Like, my flakes is real. And have you ever scratched your scalp and then you saw like build-up residue on your nails? I know, that's gross. I get that, y'all. Like, I don't know. Like, look at that. Look at that. But one thing I could say is that my scalp looks good. My scalp looks good. It's just the flakiness that transferred onto my hair. So I'm definitely gonna show y'all my first shampoo and what that looks like. Y'all, I feel like I'm gonna have to shampoo like 3 times just to get everything out, and it's so dirty. But I just feel so free. Like, anybody that I know who is considering locking their hair, or you know, they're over doing certain styles, I'm encouraging them to consider two-strand twists. Otherwise, like, there's so many ways that you could start your locks, but for me, this one is it, and I really do love my hair like this. One thing I can say is that, like, that first week, I did feel a little bit insecure about just like going to work and meeting with clients, because I'm so used to big, full hair, and I almost felt naked. And it was crazy because you still getting the same type of attention out there, right? Like, you still getting the same amount of attention, people still complimenting you, you know, you still getting the, you know, all the extra attention that I'm not really for, but it was fine. Like, I survived that first week. Once my hair started growing out and I wasn't seeing all scalp, I felt so much more comfortable. I think one of my downfalls is probably gonna be that I'm not gonna retwist my hair as often as I thought, simply because I don't like to see scalp. And I know that once I retwist it, or excuse me, retighten it, it's going to expose my scalp. And I just don't want my hair to look fine. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. But this is what it's looking like. Let me do a quick 360 for you all. I probably should have did that earlier, but you girls just a chatterbox. All right, so that's what the back and the sides look like. So another thing is, when I first started this journey, can you tell that I love touching my hair? Can you tell? But when I first started this journey, I was anticipating palm rolling when it was time to touch up my root area. But now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and interlock. I haven't got a tool yet, so I need to do some research on a tool. I need to do that sooner rather than later, because I'm planning on shampooing my hair this week. And as I said, I'm definitely gonna film that for you all to see. And then I'll also have a retightening video as well. So we do have a lot to look forward to. And I will, again, just be keeping you all posted. If anybody is thinking about doing this style and you want to add extensions, I'm going to advise to just first wait until I do my shampoo video, because I cannot guarantee y'all anything. Like, I already know that my hair is going to swell and these extensions on the ends are gonna look the same, right? Like they're gonna still look like this and then everything else is gonna swell. So I don't know if that look is going to be cute or not. In the event is not cute, I don't really care too much because again, I wear my hair up. Like I wear my hair up all the time, so my ends are pretty much always tucked. Like this is how I look. And if it don't look like that, then it looks like just like a whole bunch of pieces hanging down while it's up. So yeah, this is something that I would say definitely wait unless you I guess decide to add your extension hair from the beginning. This way when your hair swells, there's somewhat more consistency and it's not expanded to its full capacity. So yeah, and honestly, if you're not ready to commit to this journey just yet, but you still want to familiarize yourself with wearing your hair in two-strand twists that's more finer or something like that, I would definitely say check out my knotless micro two-strand twist, because that's the style that I did about 10 months ago now, I guess. Just to help me get comfortable with seeing myself without having like huge hair. So yeah, definitely consider that. I do hope that this video was helpful to you all. If you have any tips or tricks for me, please feel free to comment down below. If you are on your own journey, let me know that too, because we building this community and we about to do this together. So yeah, I'm so happy, y'all. I went from feeling, I'ma say, insecure that first week, or naked, right? I felt like naked and insecure, and now I just feel free. Like I feel free. I get up and I go. I don't worry about anything. Like somebody could call me right now and be like, Ash, let's go out. Let's go out real quick. No problem. Boom. Before, oh, let me slick down my hairline. Oh, let me, throw in this hat over this wig, I don't have to do anything. Your girl is free. Your girl is free. So this is where we at, y'all. And again, thank you all for watching. Of course, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Deuce, y'all.